Yo, what's up everybody, it's RAR! Imagine this, you're walking down the street, right? You see trash everywhere, plastic bottles, busted up furniture, busted TVs. You know, the usual. But guess what? That's not just trash, that's a gold mine. Seriously, people are making bank like millions from stuff other people throw away. And the craziest part? You can do it too. No need to drop thousands on some fancy business degree or even leave your couch. We're about to dive into 5 insane business ideas that turn trash into straight up cash. You with me? Let's go! Alright, first up, we're talking about curbside flipping. Ever heard of it? It's a side hustle that's gaining a lot of traction lately. It's like a hidden treasure hunt where people snag free furniture, appliances, sometimes even electronics right off the curb. You'd be amazed at what people throw away. They fix them up, make them look all nice and shiny, then sell them for a huge profit. It's a simple process that can turn trash into treasure. Best part? It's easier than it sounds. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can transform these items into something valuable. First, you gotta find your hidden gems. This is where the adventure begins. Check out Facebook Marketplace, the free section on Craigslist, or just cruise around your neighborhood on garbage day. You never know what you might find. Trust me, people throw away some crazy good stuff. It's like they don't realize the value of what they're discarding. Next, you gotta work your magic. This is where your skills come into play. A little cleaning, a fresh coat of paint, maybe a quick fix here and there, and boom! You've just increased the value significantly. You just 10x the value of that thing. It's amazing what a little effort can do. Now, time to cash in. This is the exciting part. List that bad boy on Facebook Marketplace, offer up, eBay, whatever you prefer. It's like printing money. The demand for refurbished items is huge. And the reason this works is actually kind of funny. People are lazy. They don't want to put in the effort to sell their stuff. They'd rather chuck a perfectly good couch because they don't want to deal with selling it. It's easier for them to just get rid of it. That's where you come in, my friend. You see the potential where they see junk. You're the hustler, the go-getter, the one turning their laziness into your own personal ATM. It's all about perspective and effort. To prove it, check this out. There's this guy, Ryan Pineda. He's a perfect example of what's possible. Started flipping couches just like I'm telling you. He saw the potential in discarded items. Guess how much he made in 1 month? $8,000 And now, dude's a millionaire. All from flipping other people's trash. That could be you. With a little effort and a keen eye, you can turn discarded items into a profitable side hustle. Next up, we're diving into the world of plastic. Yeah, you heard me right. Plastic is everywhere, and it's not just trash. That plastic bottle you're about to chuck in the recycling bin, it's more valuable than you think. Companies will pay serious cash for that stuff. It's a resource waiting to be tapped. Here's the deal. If you live anywhere near a city, you're sitting on a gold mine of plastic bottles, containers, all that good stuff. Urban areas are treasure troves of recyclable materials. Collect it, sort it, and boom, you've got yourself a business. It's that simple. First things first, find yourself a recycling center. They're your best friends in this venture. These guys are always looking for sorted plastic and they're willing to pay for it. The cleaner and more sorted the better. It's like getting paid to clean up the planet. You're doing good and making money, but hey, if you want to take it to the next level, why not turn that plastic into something new? The possibilities are endless. People are making jewelry, furniture, even building materials out of recycled plastic. Creativity is your only limit. And let me tell you, that stuff sells like hotcakes. Especially to businesses looking to go green. These companies are tripping over themselves to get their hands on eco-friendly materials. They want to showcase their commitment to sustainability. They're willing to pay a premium, and you're just the person to supply them. It's a win-win situation. Don't believe me? There's this startup in New York City that's absolutely killing it. They've turned recycling into a lucrative business. They take old plastic bottle caps and turn them into sunglasses, stylish and sustainable. You know, the kind everyone wants? They're trendy and eco-friendly. They made over $500,000 in sales in just 1 year. That's the power of recycling, and they're not the only ones. Many startups are finding success in this space. So next time you see a plastic bottle on the ground, don't just walk by. Pick it up and see the potential. See the dollar signs, my friend. See the opportunity. Turn waste into wealth. Alright, this next one is my personal favorite. We're talking about old electronics. That's right, those dusty old phones, laptops, even that busted flat-screen TV in your basement could be worth a small fortune. Why? Because they're full of precious metals, gold, silver, copper, you name it, it's probably in there. And recycling companies are willing to pay top dollar to get their hands on it. So how do you get started? First, start collecting. Hit up your friends, family, maybe even local businesses. They've all got old electronics gathering dust somewhere. And you know what? Most people are happy to get rid of it for free. Once you've got your e-waste empire, you've got options. You can either sell those bad boys directly to e-waste recyclers for a quick buck, or if you're feeling ambitious, you can repair and resell them for a huge profit. But hey, if you're looking for something even easier, with zero investment required, I've got you covered. Just flip chargers, phone cases, those little electronics accessories everyone needs. eBay is your best friend here. Trust me, people are always looking for a bargain. And the best part? This stuff sells like crazy. There are eBay sellers out there making over $5,000 a month just from reselling old chargers and headphones they got for free. Let me say that again, $5,000 a month. So, what are you waiting for? Go raid your junk drawer and start listing. Do a little research to find out the value of what you have. You might be surprised at how much some of these items are worth. Negotiate with buyers to get the best price possible. Remember, every dollar counts. Package your items well to ensure they reach the buyer in good condition. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a good seller reputation. Happy customers mean positive feedback, which can boost your sales even more. So get out there, start flipping, and watch the profits roll in. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown, because this next one is wild. People are making money from food waste. Yeah, you heard me right. Expired food, leftover produce, even used coffee grounds, it's all fair game. First up, let's talk about restaurants. These guys throw away tons of food every single day. But what they consider trash, farms consider treasure. They'll actually pay you to take it off their hands. Why? Because it makes awesome animal feed or compost. It's a win-win. Next, let's talk about coffee. That used coffee ground you toss in the trash every morning? Turns out beauty companies love that stuff. They use it to make all sorts of fancy skincare products. And get this, even expired bread can make you money. Bakeries use it to make beer. You think I'm messing with you? There's this company called Toast Ale, and they're making bank selling beer brewed with old bread. They've proved that one man's trash is another man's... Well, you get the idea. The point is, food waste is a huge industry, and there's plenty of money to be made if you know where to look. Alright, last but not least, we're diving into the wonderful world of Amazon returns. You ever wonder what happens to all that stuff people send back? Here's a secret. Most of it never makes it back to the shelves. Instead, it ends up in these massive liquidation auctions where you can buy it for pennies on the dollar. And I'm talking about everything. Electronics, clothes, home goods, you name it. It's like a treasure hunt, except everything's super cheap. So, how do you turn this into a business? It's simple. You buy those liquidation pallets, open them up, and see what you've got. Then, you sell those items individually on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, flea markets, wherever you can find buyers. And because you're buying these returns for so cheap, you can easily make a 100%, 200%, even 500% profit on each item. There's this couple in Texas, they figured out the Amazon returns game, and they made $100,000 in just 1 year, just from flipping other people's unwanted stuff. That's the power of liquidation pallets, my friend. So there you have it, 5 insane business ideas that prove trash isn't trash. It's a goldmine waiting to be claimed. Whether you're flipping furniture, selling e-waste, or turning food scraps into cash, there's a multi-billion-dollar industry hiding in plain sight. And the best part, you don't need a fancy factory, a college degree, or even a ton of money to get started. All you need is some hustle and the willingness to see opportunity where others see trash. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start turning trash into treasure. Which idea blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more money-making ideas like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Next week, we're diving into how to make $10,000 a month without even having a job. It's gonna be epic. Until then, peace out.